Listener's reaction pit. So we're going to do some Siberian meat grinder.
Trans-Siberian meat grinder core. No way out.
No way back.
There's no way out.
Hip hop, it says on the back.
Hip Hop Anonymous.
So we're going to have some hip hop here. What do you think it's going to sound like?
Like our, what am I thinking of here? Like rap core. Like
Rap
new
core?
new rap.
Like
new metal rap.
Like Boys the Men?
Like Linkin Park-ish, maybe? Like a mix of the... In all seriousness, maybe kind of something like that. But I don't know, meat grinder?
Sounds
This
weird.
is gonna be like deathcore.
Okay.
Or
Let's check it out.
screamo core.
Hey fool, what to do when the end done? Give the one run up on the raise a black flag. Raise a black flag. Raise a black flag.
Batman?
Hey fool, what to do when the end done? Give the one run up on the raise a black flag. Raise a black flag. With a black flag. Sacrifice for your life. No regret. Just in case you forget, I've been riding on my head. When they come around, we are in full effect. You are just about to drop. Never, never looking back. Better never run. You're imposters, all the guys with the fosters. They mention that you found. You lost them back to the cause of pain. We toss them around the trains. You wasted imposters. I'm the cold red right flag. Never do the gap. Never, never do. Better stay away from the cops. So you'll never get your big slow. Spinning in the bar with the mother out there. Break them, cash they came to the top. Your rain going far, we rise above the horizon. Feed them to the best, feed them to the best. Give them to the grind down, now who cares? Find out they run away from the blind down. Mind to run with the bullet flag. Hey fool, what you do when the end ends? Get the one who run up on the raise a black flag. Raise a black flag, raise a black flag. Sacrifice it for your life, no regret. Hey fool, what you do when the end ends? Get the one who run up on the raise a black flag. Raise a black flag, raise a black flag. Sacrifice it for your life, no regret.
That was some of the fucking coolest hardcore I've heard in a long time.
Oh, well then, Trans-Siberian meat core. Well, that was actually pretty fucking heavy.
That was good.
I was way off with the initial guess there. I don't know why the dude is dressed like a Cylon though. Why is he wearing the Cylon mask?
Look at this. Black metal rap. Huh. You know what? I really like that. That is catchy as all hell.
He looks like that's going to warrant further investigation.
Oh, fucking A will.
We will call you CSI Meat Grinder because you're going to be looking into that. Like,
I'm going to actually see if I can do another one real quick.
Hey,
what do you think of that, huh?
Who recommended this?
I don't motherfucker know.
Looks like they're going on a European tour. They're going to...
Dude, this is probably old as hell.
2017, yeah. They went to Czech Republic, Austria. I almost fucking said Australia. HRV? I don't know.
Hey,
so yeah, it is.
damn.
It's like Trans-Siberian grinder. Like whatever.
Trans-Siberian meat grinding core.
Yeah.
I like that. That was good. Let's check out more.
You're gonna give that? Wait, what are you gonna give that?
I give that a 9.
No shit.
I really like that.
Huh.
That was fun.
The fast picking part was
Yes.
cool. Where he was just, I don't know what you call that, tremolo picking, palm muting, and the rap got like.
Like, he actually had
like
a
tougher, like
really good flow. Like he had
did.
some bars, man. I liked it.
busting it out.
Hell yeah! Thanks for the recommendation.
I don't have anything bad to say about it.
No, the only thing I have bad to say is like you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the subscribe button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suggest more shit.
What are we at? 55,000? 55,000? I want
At
to get
least
that to 100.
5,000.
I want to get that to 100K, dude. Guys, we need to put our silver play button back here. Hook us up. Think anybody's watching this video?
No. Hemingway fans are.
Think so?
Yeah.
Sure.
And our Diana and Kudinova fans are watching this because it's Siberian.
Hey, that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, cool. Hey, thanks everybody.
Bye.